What's going on, guys? Just ended up picking up a new project. It's 2005 Silverado. It's the 5.3 liter two-wheel drive short bed crew cab, which crew cabs don't really get a lot of love. So I figured I'd pick one up. It's in pretty good condition for the year. Only rust it really has is on the rockers and the panels, the front fenders, the bed, the hood. No rust at all, which is really nice. The frame is still really solid, so I'll probably get under there and sand it down and undercoat it. I ordered some 2-inch drop shackles for the rear, since the front already sits a little lower, to even it out. Ordered a new set of headlights for it. Those will be coming in today. I'll take a video of that while I install it. The big problem it does have is the brakes. They grab really low, so we're gonna figure that out. When I come back, I'm gonna go to the junkyard. Needs a tail light and a few odds and ends, for being a 20-plus-year-old truck. But it looks good. The bumper is pushed up a little bit. You can tell they bumped into something. But here you go. Interior is really clean. My buddy detailed it for me last night. It was really bad because it was owned by landscapers. Got a free set of steelies. Need a tailgate piece, tail light. See, it's not in bad shape. Like I said, just a rust on the bottom. Definitely needs the headlights. What's going on? Today we're going to be doing an intake on the truck. I ordered it the other day. Just came in last night. Nothing like too crazy, just a 4-inch intake. First we'll take this off. I'll loosen that. There you go. I don't think this thing's ever been popped off. Ended up getting that out. Let's see. There we go. I'm gonna take the math out. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, we painted that black real quick. Got a lot of room to work with. Ended up finishing it. My camera ended up dying. Didn't look too bad. Engine bay is pretty clean. Ended up doing headlights on it too. I ended up straightening the bumper out as best as I could. These don't clip in the best, but I'm going to get it to work. Front sits pretty low. Rear needs a little lower. Ended up doing a side pipe on it. Sounds pretty good too. My buddy ended up getting his truck done too. He's just sanding it now. Look at that. Whew. Nice little S10. Ended up doing a 2-inch drop shackles on the rear. It's kind of hard to see, but there's the exhaust. Ended up putting a little tailgate wing. Then the guy I bought the truck off, look what they did. I don't know why they did that, but whatever, we'll get it fixed. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. And then we got the vette over here. Currently waiting on parts, upgrading the radiator on it. Here we go, compared to each other. Got it torn apart. Parts, you know. Definitely gonna be working on getting more videos. I've just been busy with work and life, but you can just start recording everything, you know. See where it goes. This year should be a good year for car shows. I'm so excited. First one is in May, but they've already started having them Sundays out in Naperville. Haven't made it to one yet since, you know, this has been down. It is really dirty, so when I do get it done, I'm gonna wash it. Definitely a big difference in the radiator sizes. That's a 3-core. On my wheels, I started doing my wheels. Gotta finish the front too. You know, work in progress. And then I have everything set up too. I have my arm switch and all that. Have them right in here. Then I got the bottle back there. Ended up redoing the clear right here. Came out pretty good. Not as good as I wanted it to, but it's better than it was. Then here's this side. I did this side as well. She's dirty. Just went to a cruise night last weekend. Ended up doing the grill mod to it. Right there. Which that's actually functional. Which is really nice. Ended up dropping the truck. I did 6-inch drop in the rear. I have 2-inch drop spindles for the front, which I'll do those whenever I have a chance. Ended up doing a set of steelies on it for now. I have a set of wheels for it, but I just have to get tires, and then I'll end up slapping those on. They're like a battleship gray almost. They look pretty good. And we still got this just chilling here.